Xi Jinping said that it is better to be a friend and good neighbors. Both the dragon and the elephant came together, and it will be beneficial for both countries because India want to cut that gap in trade deficit with China that is around $100 billion, and it is huge. And India also want the supply of fertilizer and rare earth minerals and tunnel boring machines that are important for infrastructures and agriculture. On the other hand, China also want access to the Indian market, which is fastest growing in the world. And strategically, it is my opinion that if tomorrow China attack to the Taiwan, so China wants India stand neutral with them. All the relation and development will depend on the border situation. If the both nations bring the stability in the borders, then you can see this relation came forward. Otherwise, this relation will be remain limited.